Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome you to all in today's video session. Today we will learn another topic, that is subject and predicate in English grammar. See, a sentence has two parts. One is subject and another one is predicate. The subject part tells about the name or the thing of or person. Predicate part tells predicate is a telling part. So the subject and predicate makes a complete sentence, or you can say a sentence is made up of two parts, that is subject and predicate. Let's see what is subject. That is a naming part. Subject, it tells who and what the sentence is about. Let's see some example here. Luke played soccer. This sentence is about the Luke. So the Luke in the sentence is a subject. In next example, the apple is red. This sentence is about the apple. How is the apple? The apple is red. So in the sentence, the apple is subject. In next example, the rain sounded like a lullaby. So this sentence is telling more about the rain. So in this sentence, the rain is a subject. Predicate. What is predicate? It is a telling part. It tells what someone or something is or does. Or you can say the predicate tells us something about the subject. Let's see some example here. Mr. Bart lost his hat. So in this sentence, the predicate is lost his hat, because the Mr. Bart is a subject. It telling more about the Mr. Bart. What he did, he lost his tail. So the lost his hat is a predicate. Next is the bee buzzed around me. What did the bee do? A bee buzzed around me. Buzzed around me is a predicate, because it is telling us something about the subject, that is bee. Next example is the ball rolled down the hill. What did the ball do? It rolled down the hill. So in this sentence, roll down the hill is predicate. Let's see. A sentence is made up of two parts, as I taught you, that is subject and the predicate. The subject names the person or thing we are speaking about. See, Tom went to school. So Tom is subject in this sentence. The predicate tells something about this subject. So went to school, that is a predicate. Some more example. Cows gives us milk. Cows is a subject and give us milk is predicate. The child wanted to play. The child is subject and wanted to play is predicate. My uncle in Pune gave me a watch for my birthday. So my uncle in Pune is subject and gave me a watch for my birthday is predicate in all this given sentences. Some exercise is there. In this sentence given below, we have to draw a single line below the subject and double line below the predicate. See, first one is already done. The film was very interesting. So in this sentence, the film is subject and was very interesting is predicate. Next sentence. Now what we will do? We underline the subject and circle the predicate. His sister works in a bank. So in this sentence, his sister is subject and works in a bank is predicate. Akbar was great king. Akbar is a subject and was great king is a predicate. The panther is wild animal. So in this sentence, the panther is subject and is wild animal is predicate. My aunt from Japan came to visit us. My aunt from Japan is subject. Come to visit us is predicate. The book on the shelf were torn. So the books on the shelf is subject and were torn is predicate. Suman has her own computer. So in this sentence, Suman is subject, has her own computer is predicate. Football is an exciting game. Football is subject, is an exciting game is predicate. A few drops of water fell from the roof. A few drops of water is subject and fell from the roof is predicate. And last one is grandma tells us lots of stories. So in the sentence, grandma is subject, tells us lots of stories is predicate. So I hope you all understood the topic, that is subject and predicate. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me. Till then, take care and thank you. Jazakallah.